Okay, what is this called that we are looking at?
This is called a mechanical, or sometimes it's called a paste up board, because literally you paste up what's going to be printed on the board.
Okay, what are the various parts of this mechanical?
Well, this is a acetate overlay where they've circled the mailer. This is for a mailer. And then they post some notes here. It says it's going to be printing one color. You can lift this up. This just kind of protects the paste up from getting knocked off or out of place. This is the actual finished piece. And if you look, you can kind of see it outlines it perfectly. There are these really light blue lines. That's called non-reproductive blue, so it won't print. But you can kind of also see the fold lines where it goes through here. So as you can see that the headline has already been printed, so they're pasting that up. And then this whole block of type is typeset. And then, you know, in an ideal world, you'd have it all correct and you just paste it down. You usually use like an X-Acto to get the placement perfectly, and it sticks down with, it used to be rubber cement, and then if you got rubber cement on the side, there's a rubber cement pickup that you can clean up the excess rubber cement. But sometimes you'll want to change a few things. And so like this line right here, you can see they changed the wording. So they would cut this thin strip of type out and then paste it up over, and it would have to fit perfectly. So it was very exact, hence the X-Acto. Obviously the signature was just regularly signed and then pasted up, and then the little byline. So that's kind of the mechanics of a mechanical.
And that's the inside of the lift letter.
Yeah, this is the lift letter. So if you look on the other side, so it folds up, probably had some glue or something that put that together. This is the outside. And once again, you have the outside acetate to protect everything. Some notes on the printing. They're saying this is the face of the piece. And then just kind of showing you where type is going to go. And here is the paste up, the mechanical. Once again, the outline. This is written, so it's just pasted up exactly how they want it to print, and the return address as well. You would make film that would become the plate for the press to print. Yeah, the film that would go on a blanket that goes on, that the ink attracts, that it runs offset printing, in offset printing. So this is a one color with folds and scores. Obviously it was glued together. And that's how you printed old school.